So it's week 7, pretty much 50 days since surgery. And you can see I can walk up these stairs pretty good. Walking down, still troublesome. Most of the time, I'm just taking one step at a time. But here, I'm trying to do it. But yeah, definitely need the railings to do it. Anyway, I feel like hasn't been too much progress since week 6. Still doing the same things. Yeah, everything's getting a little easier. Walking's getting easier. Biking's easier. I'm putting some resistance on the bike now. And yeah, everything's just getting a little smoother, stronger. But yeah, not too. There are some new exercises I'm doing. Still doing squats, and I feel like squats have become a lot easier. I feel like I'm still favoring the unaffected knee a bit, but I'm trying to balance out and put 50% weight, 50% on each side. But yeah, I have to intentionally focus because I wanna lean towards my good knee. But yeah. So other than squats, there's this new exercise I've been doing, which is kind of called child's pose. I'm going to show it to you. I don't know if I'm doing it exactly right in this video because my daughter wants me to put on her ski boots. But basically, yeah, it's just using your weight and trying to bend that knee as much as possible. In this video, I'm like, wow, that's all I bent. I felt like I was going so deep. But yeah, it's hard to get that bend. But yeah, I'm trying to get more and more bend angle. We've been working at it at physical therapy, and I'll show you towards the end of this video about what I'm getting at. Here are some of the scars, just showing you kind of what it looks like at week 7. I've been rubbing them whenever I remember, even if I'm just lying in bed, I'll just start rubbing them, trying to break up the scar tissue. They are starting to move a little better, and the swelling's going down. But yeah, I think it's still there's some adherence, so need to do that. Still keeping up with my pull-ups, and yeah, trying to keep active, trying to keep fit. Doing my gymnastics rings too, still. So I'll show you that in a little bit. But yeah. So yeah, here's the straight leg raises. Didn't have the camera in the right angle here, but yeah, just lifting straight up and no issues with that. Getting easier and easier. You can see there's not too much of that quad lag. My leg can just go straight up. I do want to get myself a weight. Here I am biking. I did bike for the first time this week. And yeah, felt pretty good actually. I want to go on a longer bike ride. Here I'm just spinning around the cul-de-sac. But eventually when it's not wet out, I want to go on a longer bike ride and just enjoy that again, since it's been, 7 weeks, almost 2 months now since that's happened. Can't wait till I can start running again, but yeah, definitely can't run. Still my walking. I don't know if I have much footage of my walking, but there's still a slight limp. I am walking without anything now, even the neoprene sleeve. I don't really use too much. But if I'm going to be on my feet a long time, I still want to use that because that'll help with the swelling and stuff. I am trying to get more into the gymnastics rings. I haven't been as diligent as I wanted to this week, but I did do it a couple times. Yeah, hopefully by the end of this, I'm pretty strong upper body. But yeah, here I'm trying to do some gymnastics moves on the rings. I think, the rings are such a great workout. I can't wait to really get into it. But I feel like I'm still just building up the strength to do even the basic movements. Yeah, so even the basics are hard. So you got to work on the fundamentals before I can do anything fancy. But yeah, that's kind of fancy, right? Walking on the ceiling. Anyway, good times on the gymnastics rings. And here I want to show you how far I can take my bend. This is, beginning of week 7. And yeah, there it is. I mean, it's not bad. Definitely not as far as my other knee. My physical therapist said I should be progressing a little faster, so I got to start pushing it more at home. Okay, so today is week 2, November 13th of, this soaking in the lake bath thingy. I'm going to clean it up with the rake. I did get my water thermometer, so I'll be able to tell how cold it is. It's 49 degrees outside. We'll see how it is inside. I did step on some deer poop, so looking forward to getting rid of that. Yeah, not fun. Anyway, here we go. Yeah, so I do want to do this once a week, and this is my second week doing it. It was a lot warmer this week. I got to stay in for 12 minutes. The week prior, it was like 29 degrees out, so it was cold. But yeah, this time wasn't so bad. Anyway, Yeah, incremental progress all around this week. Nothing too drastic, but yeah, just being able to put more weight on. I was helping my wife carrying groceries for the first time. Could carry my kids, could carry my 4-year-old for the first time without too much fear. So just getting stronger overall. Just can't wait till I can start running on it. I think it's still probably going to be another 4 more weeks for that, but yeah, slowly getting there. Hope you guys are all recovering well. Wish you all the best, and yeah, subscribe for more. I'll probably slow down on the weekly releases, might make it like every 2 weeks or a month, but we'll see. If there's good progress, I'll make videos. So subscribe, and Godspeed, everyone.